Hi, good day everyone. So today we'll be doing January 2020, number 3, paper 2. The question number 3 says the diagram below shows a hexagonal prism. Right? Complete the following statement. The prism has how many faces? So if we count 1, 2, that's the flat surfaces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Already put the answer there, 8. How many edges? Edges are the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Um, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18 edges. Your vertices, these are where more than two or more lines meet up. So there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So at 12 vertices. Right. This question, a sports club, sorry. Let's zoom in. A sports club owns a field PQRS in the shape of a quadrilateral. Just means a four-sided shape. A scale diagram of this field is shown below. 1 centimeter represents 10 meters. In the, in the following part, show all your construction lines. The field is to be divided with a fence from P to RS so that the different sports can be played at the same time. Each point on the fence is the same distance from PQ, the same distance from PQ as from PS. Use a straight edge and compass only to construct lines representing the fence and write down the length of this fence in meters. So first off, they told you that the line is from P to RS. So it's from here to here, right? Then they said that PQ, each point in the fence is the same distance from PQ as from PS. So what this basically means, each point in the fence is the same distance from PS as from PQ as from PS. We're going to basically find the bisector of this angle that forms with QPS. So the first thing that you do is you take your compass, and when you are drawing these lines, let's make it a black line, you just need to know that you're opening up your compass at least more than half the line. Right? So if we're just going to make this here. Right? And the first thing you do is to draw an arc. Right? An arc there and an arc there. Right? And then we are going to bisect this arc. Going to intersect here. Right? Let's rotate, and we have right, and then you're going to do the same thing here. Alright, here. So I'm just going to erase this just to make it look a little bit neater. So know that my perpendicular bisector, not perpendicular bisector, my bisector of this angle goes from here through that angle to meet RS. So this is how it would look. Right? Then they told you write down the length of the fence in meters. So I am going to, let me just check. Right? Line up this, you take your ruler. Hold on, I need to make this ruler a little bit smaller. Right. So when you measure this, and it's only because I have a printed copy, it's only because the copy that I have here is on the computer. That is why I can't really measure it. But you're supposed to get 7.4, approximately 7.4 centimeters, right? And they told you that 1 centimeter is 10 meters. So I just multiply this by 10. That would give me 74 meters would be the length of the fence. And that is how you would do this question. Alright, now this question part C, a quadrilateral PQRS. Let's zoom in so we can see. The quadrilateral PQRS and its image PQRS are shown below. Immediately when you look at this, we see that one is bigger than the other. The object is smaller, the image is bigger. Immediately you're supposed to think about enlargement, right? But first let's see, write down the mathematical name of the quadrilateral PQRS. We have two parallel sides. This is a trapezium, a trapezium, right? Then part 2, so they told you the enlargement. PQRS is mapped onto image PQRS by an enlargement with a scale factor of K. About center CAB. Using the diagram above, determine the values of A, B, and K. Now K is going to be easy to find. It is your image, the length of your image divided by the length of your object. Right? We said that the length of your image, let's take one length, 1, 2, 3, and the corresponding side for your object is 1. So this would be 3 divided by 1. So K is equals to 3. And now we need to find the center of enlargement. Right now, to calculate the center of enlargement, or to determine the center of enlargement, we take a line and connect it to the image of that so you draw the line and connect it to the image here. So this is actually, let's go, so Q, right, we elongate it. It's going to get smaller, so you're going to get here, then R to here, then S to here as well. So you can see that they all intersect at, this is 1, -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is -4, -4, and this is 1. So this would be -4. Y is 1, and that would be your a center of enlargement. So C is -4, 1, right? So therefore A is -4, B is equals to 1, and K is equals to 3. And that is how you would do January 2020.